I've traveled across the globe and worked with the largest tech companies in the world and actually make a living out of that. That's why in this video, I wanted to tell you the 6 ways that I make money. Now, by no means I'm doing this video to show off. I was somebody that actually sucked at school and I failed every single class, and I had a lot of people telling me that I wasn't good enough to do what I wanted to do. So take this maybe as a sign. No matter how old you are, no matter what point in life you are, I was somebody that thought that making a living out of what you wanted was impossible. So I'm here to tell you that anything is possible. If I was able to do it, and I'm literally a very clumsy, non-organized person, if I can do it, you can do it. So the first way that I make money is with YouTube. Now with YouTube, you can go full time talking about what you want, which is mind blowing to think about, right? You can literally grab a camera and start recording and start talking about what you like and create an audience surrounding what you like. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to make money on YouTube, and my first way that I'm gonna tell you is with YouTube AdSense, actually with Google AdSense. So every time you watch one of my videos, you'll probably get an ad, and once you watch that ad, I'll make money. So if you have a larger audience, more people will watch your ads, so you'll make more money. Second way that I make money is with affiliate links. So let's say I'm talking about the new AirPods Max from Apple, and I say links in the description for you to buy one. Well, if you actually tap on that link and actually make a purchase, I'll get a small cut. Affiliate links are awesome, and it's something that I really should be using more, that I don't really take the full potential of. Now, by far, the largest way that content creators can make money is via sponsorships. A brand will pay you to include their product or service in your videos. And a sponsorship can come in a bunch of different ways, whether an integration, I'll put your product in for 20 seconds of the video. Well, I can make an entire dedicated video of that, or me, personally, something that brands are doing are my travel videos. Now, if you've watched my travel videos, you know the value that they have. I actually bring a product on my day-to-day life within a trip, and the brands are loving it because I actually use the product, and you guys see me using the product on a day-to-day life when I'm traveling. So that allows me to travel the world and actually get paid for it, which is incredible. I mean, if I had the option to talk to the Nikias 10 years ago and I was actually telling him all the stuff that I'm doing, I wouldn't have believed him. So it's just an incredible experience that I get to do, and I get to travel the world and actually talk about tech, which is something that I adore, right? Here's a tip that I'm gonna tell all content creators. My phone just fell. Here's a tip that I'm just gonna tell you. Don't just ask brands for money. That's the main thing that you should understand. Offer value to the brands. At the end of the day, brands want to sell their products, so tell them different ways, tell them really creative ways, and just different ways how you can actually promote their product. That's the main tip. That's the main thing that I've learned the most. Don't just ask and beg for more money. I know we all want money, but actually offer them extra value. Why are you so different compared to the other content creators? What makes you different? So here's an actual example what a sponsorship actually is. These are the One More Evo earphones. They are wireless earphones that have high fidelity sound quality. It's got punchy bass, smooth mids, low distortion, overall great sound quality. You've also got Quiet Max, which is an intelligent noise cancellation technology. You've got a couple ANC modes. You've got incredible noise cancellation, so if you live in a busy area and you do not want to hear that crying baby in the subway, you can simply pop these on. And then you've also got transparency, so same thing that you get on the AirPods Max, that you can hear what's around you. So if you guys are interested in the One More Evos, hit the link down in the description. The fourth way that I make money is with YouTube coaching. There's a lot of people that want to go full time on YouTube, but they are kind of lost. They feel lost, or maybe there's some people that have done it for a long time and they feel lost. So that's where I come in. With all the experience that I've gained with over 5 years of actual full-time content creation, I give them a bunch of tips, from idea processing to SEO to thumbnail design to everything that you need to know. You guys can ask me any questions. Well, I'll help you do that. So if you're a content creator and feel a little bit lost, or maybe you're not a content creator and you want to become one, you guys can reach me out on Twitter and Instagram, and we'll go from there if you guys are interested. All right, so the fourth way that I make money is with wristcam. If you follow the channel, you probably know what this is. It is the best accessory for the Apple Watch. It's a camera for the Apple Watch that shoots photo and videos directly on your wrist. We now announced video calling, which is incredible to actually video call on the wrist. So what am I doing with wristcam? Well, I'm actually full-time with wristcam as well. I'm in charge of their marketing. I am their content creator lead. I do a bunch of stuff with them that involves them growing as a brand. Another way that I make money is with freelance services. So from graphic design to film, if a company needs an ad for their restaurant or for their product or for their company, I do that. Build up a team and actually go produce for them. Last week, for example, we shot in a restaurant, at a Japanese restaurant, and we did a bunch of photo and video and social work. The sixth way that I make money is with stocks and crypto. Now, by no means, don't take this as financial advice, but the first thing that I'm gonna tell you is that do not invest in stocks and crypto with money that you actually need, because, well, the market might go down and might go down really quick, and then you won't be able to take out your money. I mean, technically you can, but you'll result in a loss. Right now, I currently invested in a bunch of companies, and guess what? The whole war thing made the market go down, so now I can't get my money back. That's a way that I make money. I don't really take it as a way that I make money because I just see it as like a long investment. I don't go short term, I just invest and go long term. So yeah, by the way, I'm not an expert in stocks or crypto, but yeah, I do it and I have fun doing it. That's the 6 ways that I make money. Once again, I'm not doing this to show off. I'm just doing this for you to get motivated and for you to see, to get personal. You guys are my family, right? I want to tell you these type of things, and I will get more personal without future videos because that's what I want to do. I want to get personal with you. Let me know in the comments down below, what other topic should I talk about? I know a lot of you guys have been asking me how much money I make. Maybe one day I'll say it, even though I probably won't. Maybe I will. Let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Be happy because life is good, and I will see you in the next one.
100 times a day, yeah.